Hello agents, this will be the first of a two-part series of transaction desks. The first part will cover mainly how to get into the transaction, maneuver around, use the forms, and of course the second part will be to use the e-signature process. So let's get started. Let's go ahead and first thing we're going to do is find our house. Okay. And this little icon right here is going to go ahead and bring us into transaction desk. Now you'll notice this first part comes up here. There's a couple things I want you to pay attention to. One is this right here, this template. Our brokerage has a template set up, PFRG, buyer side forms template. You're going to want to go ahead and select that. What that's going to do is already put all the common forms used in a transaction, already put it into the transaction itself. Maybe for some of you the default, the wizard is checked. Go ahead and uncheck that and just hit create. Okay, so that's going to kind of bring you here, and go ahead on this right side menu, click on the forms button, and you see it's already populated with all of the common forms associated with a transaction. So you'll want to go ahead and select all of them. The little breadcrumb, and you're going to want to import some data. I'll tell you what this is going to do in a second. Okay, so let's do the MLS number, which in this case was 2018 here, and then I want to go ahead and check this box to automatically populate the forms. What that's doing is it's populating all of mainly the header data, like the address, lot number, description, that sort of thing, with the information it's pulling from the listing itself. So let's go ahead and go into the purchase agreement. Okay, so here it is. And as you can see, it already pulled some of the data. That's what the import did. All right, so for whatever reason, this is not filled out. So we'll want to go ahead and fill that part out. And then you'll just kind of proceed through your contract as you normally would, okay? And I'm not going to fill the whole thing out, but just so you can get an idea. All right, 20,000. Okay. And then all we got to do is go to the file, save, and then save button once you do your work. Now, to quickly move from forms, if you just hit that button, it'll pull up other common forms. So I know when you mainly doing purchase agreements, you'll go ahead and do another one. I'm sorry, you'll do the wood destroying insert report. So again, file, save, and perhaps an agency disclosure. Should already be populated with everything. Of course, you do not lead the listing agent. All right, fair enough. And that's pretty much it for moving around and getting it to the part right before you are doing e-signatures. Okay, that's all for now.